So this is the Christmas Magic Sentiments Clear Stampin' Die of the Month. Lots of fun sentiments, and I kind of just went and did a bunch. We've got some sentiment strips. Did a few of those. And we've got a bunch of the bigger ones that are in this pretty scripty font. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and die cut these out. And these will be ready to go when I'm making the rest of the cards. So I have lots of fun sentiments for several cards. Here are all the stamps that come in the stamp sets. We've got Christmas, Sending, No Peeking, Merry, Delivering, Noel, Joy. So you can do combinations, so it's each of the individual things. And then we've got the sentiment strips from Our Home to Yours, Making Spirits Bright, Believe in the Magic, You to You and Yours, Cherish the Season, Holiday Cheer, From Santa, From All of Us, Christmas Wishes, Snowflake Kisses, and A Gift for You. So what I did is I just stamped out and embossed a lot of these. Some of these I used some of the Lisa Horton inks, so those should look pretty cool. And of course I can incorporate some of those inks into some of the other pieces. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start die cutting some things out of a different thing, out of the die of the month, and then we can start assembling cards. Now that we've got all of our bits cut out and colored for our adorable skate, love this, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling it. Now I used some cookie dough ink to blend some color on here to show that they had been used and they have been gotten dirty and all the things, because I have never worn a perfectly pristine pair of ice or roller skates for that matter. So I figured these should probably be dirty. And then I've colored up the laces. I've got some already done in red and in some blue. So we're just going to add these on there. To do that, because there are all these little lines, I'm just adding some glue to the back of my hand. I'm going to dip the back into that to pick it up so I can position it right where I want it. And then I'm going to line up the laces with the holes. So the bottom one just goes right there at the bottom hole, and then they just go all the way up, lined up perfectly with those little holes, and it fits perfect. Love this. So our lace is all laced up. We've got the extra, because whenever you wear your roller skates or ice skates, I know more about roller skates. I'm from the South. We don't deal with snow or ice or any of that stuff, but I have been ice skating in a mall a few times. Anyway, we're going to add that, because you always wrap it around the ankle so you make sure that it's nice and tight and secures well to your ankle, so hopefully you don't twist it, which is one reason why you wear the taller boots. And then we've got the little bow where it is tied. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the back of that. I love that they designed these basically the way that I remember wearing my roller skate boots when I used to go roller skating every Friday night when I was a teenager. So tell me down in the comments whether or not you have been roller skating or ice skating, and was that when you were a kid, or have you done it more as an adult too? I think the last time I went was when my kids were of an age where they enjoyed it. And both of them have been out of the house for a long time, and I don't think I would ever be able to get my hubby to go. So if you're in town and you want to go ice skating or roller skating, you guys need to let me know. Hit me up and we will have to go. Okay, now I'm going to just add the blade. Now I'm going to line the blade up so it's all the way at the end, the same way that you would see it on a real ice skate. And the blades I actually cut out of the mirror cardstock from Spellbinders. Fabulous silver. And they have a little embossed line to show you right where they're supposed to go. There we go. Okay, I'm doing things a little bit different on my cards this month. Haven't done it like this in I don't know how long. I recently joined the Kendra's Card Challenge design team, so I'm going to be using some of the card sketches from her Card Challenge 15. That is what's happening this quarter. And I'm going to actually be using, I think, 3. The first 3. So if you have your Card Challenge paperwork, I will also leave links down below so you guys can join that if you want. You'll know what I'm talking about and you can give it a try as well. Also using one of the paper pads. I've got a ton of 6x6 paper pads. This one, I believe, is from last year. It's called A Gift for You from Spellbinders, and I think this was in one of the Christmas kits. So grab out your old paper pads or get some new ones, or even take your 12x12 and cut them down into 6x6, and you'll be able to do the Kendra's Card Challenge using her sketches. So got them already cut out. I've got number 1, number 2, and number 3, and I decided to also use the embossing folder of the month because look at that. That is just so lovely. So I've gone ahead and done that. And we're going to just start assembling some of the cards, okay? Okay, now that we've got most of our bits put together, I've also got a bunch of greenery. So I think what I'm going to start off with is just put together the poinsettias and then decide, do I need to add them anywhere on my card? Because I'm thinking I think I want to have one over there, but I think that that's going to be pretty cool, and it'll add a little bit more color, bringing in some of the additional red and green. And there we go. So we have got 3 cards using the embossing folder of the month, the clear stamp and die set of the month, the small die of the month, and Kendra's Card Challenge sketches 1, 2, and 3. You guys have a great day. Be sure to check out my playlist below to see more videos using Spellbinders products, and I will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye.